Let us see this question. It has appeared in 2019 JE. The trajectory of a projectile near the surface of the earth is given by y is equal to 2x minus 9x square. If it were launched at an angle theta 0 with speed v0, then out of these four options we have to find out what is the angle and what is the velocity. What is trajectory? If there is a projectile motion, a particle is projected like this path that is taken is called trajectory. So let us say this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So this y is a function of x. Okay, at every x you should be able to find out what is the y. That is called trajectory. You should be able to look at the position of the particle. Now this is given as y is equal to 2x minus 9x square. But what is the general expression for finding? We have derived this expression y is equal to x tan theta minus gx square by 2v square cos square theta. Here v is v0 and theta is theta 0. So yesterday when we were discussing in one of the questions that sometimes we have to do the questions by comparison method. So here you have two equations, compare them. So when you compare these two equations, tan theta 0 is equal to 2, and what else can we get? Yeah, it is 9x square. Okay, so this whole term will be equal to 9. So g value we know, and if tan theta 0 is equal to 2, there is a triangle like this, opposite by adjacent, that is tan. So hypotenuse will be root over 2 square plus 1 square, root 5. So we can get the cos and sine values also. So cos value will be 1 by root over 5, or theta 0 is equal to cos inverse 1 by root 5. Now we need to solve this. So here g value is 10, and cos square theta, because cos theta 0 is 1 by root 5, cos square will be 1 by 5. Okay, and so from here we can get the value of v0. When you calculate, you get 25 by 9 v0 square. V0 will be equal to 5 by 3 meter per second. So we need to see which option is that. 5 by 3, 5 by 3, cos inverse 1 by root 5. So this is the option. The idea behind doing the previous year questions is that you have to, when you are preparing, you have to know which type of questions are coming, what are the concepts used. Are you lagging in the concepts? You can see that whatever we are learning in the class, similar type of concepts are only tested. Something new is not tested. Let us see the next one. The position of a particle as a function of time t is given by x of t is equal to at plus bt square minus ct cube, where a, b, c are constants. When the particle attains zero acceleration, what is the velocity? So position vector as a function of time is given. Position is given as a function of time. If you differentiate that, you get velocity. This is displacement. Okay, if you differentiate this, you get velocity. If you differentiate velocity, you get acceleration. In the question there is a condition also given that acceleration has to be zero acceleration. So this is the displacement differentiated, you get this. So d by dt of this expression, so this will become a, this will be 2bt, t square will be 2t into b, and this will be 3ct square. Now this is the velocity. Again, if you differentiate, because acceleration is equal to dv by dt, you get this. So this is constant term gone. When you differentiate this, this will become 2b, and this will become 2t into 3c, it is 6ct. Acceleration is equal to 0, equate this to 0, you get t is equal to b by 3c. Now at this time acceleration is becoming 0. Then he's asking you at that time what is the velocity. You need to put this into the velocity expression. Here often there is a confusion. If they are asking velocity, you find velocity. If they are asking you displacement, you find displacement. So velocity is equal to t by, we have to put t is equal to b by 3c in this expression. So 2b into b by 3c minus 3c into b by 3c whole square. And after that it is simple arithmetic. And finally you get a plus b square by 3c. You have to see which option is correct. It is option C. Okay.